Hi guys, G-Man.
Yeah, man.
Sawa. Hi guys, welcome to Drive Dudes. Today we are doing Talking Dudes. We are doing a podcast. You asked for it, and here it is. So it's Talking Dudes with me, Mose, and
Lewi.
the main man. How's here?
Ninja.
I thought your jina bado nini?
Wameitisha.
Yeah.
Man.
By the way, welcome to the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share the videos. Thank you for all the supports. My G.
Yeah, man.
Umefikaje huku bana?
Wacha nikwambie. It's been tough.
What has been tough?
It's raining na juzi nimesema ni akwae a motorbike just juu ya cruise around. So right now I'm using a Taken 250cc. Very soon tutaenda ku-review. Sasa nimetoka kwa Wing Road. Now Wing Road is for the family. So
but the one thing about your Wing Road is umeipimp. Umeweka mataa.
Ni mzee man.
Ni mzee but umeipimp bana. Umeona sisi zetu ni mzee but ni mzee tu.
Ni bidii tu, you know. Ni God.
Speaking of Taken, by the way, Honda just launched the Honda wamelaunch 250 cc juzi ama ni gani wamelaunch?
Yeah, it's at
ama ni 150 walikuwa na 125
yeah.
And 110
yeah,
ama 110 haikuwa
125
yeah. Now wako na 150. So sahi Honda 150 bike ina rival Boxer BM 150.
Yeah, the Captain
TVS.
Yeah, and the Hero.
Na Skygo
I don't think they have a 150. They have 125. Yeah.
So welcome to Talking Dudes. Things are falling apart.
Things do fall apart.
Things are falling apart here.
But
welcome to Talking Dudes. Let me big up one or two people. We are recording at Caesar's Palace.
Where do you find Caesar's Palace, man?
Ngoja, studio inaitwa Caesar's Palace. But Caesar's Palace is Caesar's Palace is ni jina card. Yeah. We are recording at Caesar's Palace in Embu. So if ever you are in Embu, uko Nyeri, uko Kirinyaga, hata ukiwa Nairobi and you need quality sound recordings, nini ingine, Caesar voiceovers, band rehearsals, videography, photography, hizo zote.
Just name them.
I have already named them.
Thank you.
Hizo zote. So we are recording at Caesar's Palace in Embu. Tuko na pia main man, mnamjua sana,
Anto
Sierra. Anaitwa numero uno. Unesha meno tu hapo. Sawa. Also, let me big up one more guy, Loki Ventures. Yendo ametu hook up with this beautiful neon sign. If you need a neon sign, hit us up hapo kwa nini?
Comment section.
By the kwa comment section. Nilikuwa nafikiria niwaambie kwa namba za simu.
No.
Kumbuka wana namba za simu.
Yeah, right.
So hit us up kwa comment section. Yeah. Comment section. We'll connect you with the guy who did this for us. It's a beautiful
thing.
Sindio?
Yeah, man.
Imeweza by the way.
Imeweza.
It's Drive Dude.
As usual, yellow.
Yeah.
Our them.
Yellow, I think. Sijui, I don't know nini yangu ilienda wapi.
Yeah, I don't know. Na pia for merchandise ya t-shirt, hook up to Visible. Ukitaka.
By the big up to Visible.
Yeah.
Kwa kutu hook up na match yetu, our t-shirts na kofia yangu.
Yenye kofia, like kofia, right?
Okay, asijaiva leo because of the lighting and everything, but ukitaka apparel and branding, una contact Visible. Hit us up hapo kwa comments, quality work. Loki Science, Loki Ventures kwa this beautiful neon. Studio works at Caesar's Palace na Sierra. Anto mnamjua sana kuliko everyone else. Question, G-Man, is the Land Cruiser, the Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series, is it the most capable off-roader in your opinion?
In my opinion, I would say is the most capable one, considering unajua most of the people consider like Toyota ziko more reliable. So by the name, by the virtue of sai tuko 70th anniversary anyway. So it
I
means
think tuko past.
yeah, so it means wame go through all those things, wamejua what to rectify, what not. So
But let me ask you a question.
yeah,
LC, whatever, let's call it 70 series, they rarely change anything about the car.
yeah,
Sindio?
the looks.
The looks. Yes, let's say they change the engines.
Yeah.
Unapigiwa simu bana.
Yeah.
Eka simu silent bana,
Yeah,
uambie uko
right.
studio.
I know. Yeah.
Ama urushe kaile atuoli.
No, we are going to do that in our next show, but not today.
Ila urushi iPhone.
Yeah, no, not today. Thank you.
So is the 70 series, this is what I'm thinking. Excuse me. 70 series is a Toyota, sindio? Vile umesema, they haven't changed a lot about the looks. Hawaja change apart from the lights. Sai lights ziko circular kidogo. Engine, they have done some. Okay, sai ni V6. It comes with a V6. The previous one had a V8, a V8 option.
Yeah.
But nothing else is changing. Hakuna a lot of options hazina power windows, no power windows. Sindio?
Yeah.
Like, why are they not changing like the design of it?
I think people have been attached to the previous designs the way they are. So I think according to what they are changing, ni what they have been told, maybe we should improve on this from the
Ama what they
customer
have told themselves. Because I thought customers would want something new.
No, the problem is the shapes that bring up maybe the changes, they are not so much appealing.
More curves.
Yeah, and
You don't want curves.
No, we need like box. Yeah, so I think that's why they are so much like conversant and about and conservative.
And then look, if we look at off-roaders, let's say pure off-roaders, we will say the whole Land Cruiser series is an off-roader SUV off-roader series, sindio?
Yeah.
So we are talking about the Land Cruiser.
Yeah.
Sindio? Saiko LC300,
Yeah.
the newest one.
Yeah.
The LC Prado, which is also capable of roader in its many in its many forms.
Yeah.
TX, TXL,
TZG.
Although TX doesn't get much. I don't know. People do not seem to think that TX is a quality car. Anyway, moving along, and the LC.
But we have the latest now model of the TX.
The 2023 one, JQ50.
Yeah, JQ50.
Okay, so they have 3 cars.
Yeah.
In the same category. How do you like differentiate uses and applications for each of the vehicles, also considering that they also cost different, and why is like Toyota justifying three models in the same market? Is it like competition between the same models, or what do you think?
I think for the Prado, they are looked in different versions, considering the Land Cruiser family has 3 versions, the lightweight, the heavyweight, and the medium size. Now, the heavyweight is the one that has the LC family, right?
The pure LC.
Yes.
The LC 300, 200.
Yeah, 200, 100. Now the mid one is the one that has the Prados, and you have the light vehicles. Now the J70.
The L70.
Yes.
But
yes.
Why do you consider 70 series a small car?
Not a small. They never
you have classified it as a small car.
No, it's a lightweight in terms of. Unaniweka kwa box bana.
Cindy, I'm thinking if I was to classify them myself, LC Prado is the least because it's comfort and luxury. It's not as luxurious as the LC 200, LC 300.
Yeah.
Off-roading capabilities and all that. It's not as capable as the 70 series. So I would put it at the bottom of the three models. Then the 70 series I think will be my mid one, because luxury 0. Okay, it's more luxurious, let's say, than the Land Rover Defenders and all that. It's better suspension and everything. But in terms of the 3, I will consider it iko katikati ya the Prado and the LC300. I wouldn't say it's lightweight personally, because hata ukiangalia cost, it's costlier.
Even the
but
LC.
I think I saw one what is it called, fully loaded fully loaded inauzwa 13 million, 12 million, 30 million.
Yeah.
Isuzu NQR minibus 33 seater ni pesa ngapi?
6.1
6.1 Kenya shilling, 6.1 million Kenya shillings.
Yeah.
So if you have the 70 series, it's the same as buying two, you know, NQR minibuses. Na hizo za kukuletea pesa. But I think that's why I was thinking in terms of capabilities, yeah. Let's consider. Let's put this off-roaders in a tier list. Number 1, 70 series.
I'd say it's an S.
It's an S.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't argue it's an S. Okay. But I think personally, okay, let me argue. I do argue. I will put it in an A.
That's what you always
I will put it in I will put it in an A because it's no
reason.
No comfort.
Just
No, I do have no comfort whatsoever. Hakuna comfort. It's not as comfortable as its competitors because let's go gari nyingine yenye unaweza consider an off-roader, a pure off-roader. Defender. Hey, Defender is an S bwana.
Why?
Because it's a Defender.
I'll give it an A.
Defender.
It's more even
which Defender? The new one or the old one?
The old one.
The old one.
The 110.
110.
Yes.
Aye.
And the 70.
90 all
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Aye bwana.
Like an A. That's only what deserves an A.
I think wewe una just clout.
Jesus.
Na si kwa
how can Toyota.
You Defender
with Toyota?
By the way, with Toyota, ironically, how can
Toyota
you put a Defender in an A? Defender at least yako the same category as the 70 series, by the way.
No.
Which other off-roader can you really useme zina stack up to the two of them?
Mobius.
Okay. Sorry, I mean yeah, Mobius. Sorry.
Mobius.
Yeah, Mobius I'll give it
Mobius.
Let's give it a what?
A D.
A D. Why are you giving Mobius a D, by the
It's
way?
new in the market. They never changed the engine. The engine was started being built like 50 years ago. So
Hi, Mobius for me. Let's say I don't.
It's a D, right?
Let's
continue.
Wait. I don't not like the Mobius.
What? It's built in Kenya, made in Kenya, by Kenya, built Kenya.
First of all, it's everyone knows it's not built in Kenya.
Okay.
Mobius is a rebadge. It's not. Is it a rebadge of the
BJ 140?
BJ Biak? Is it Biak or bike? Beijing Motors, whatever. Biak BJ 40, which itself is a copycat of the Jeep Wrangler. Sindio? The engine, yeah.
Did you have to get to the Jeep?
No, let's just inform people. But go and check out. The BJ 40. It's called BJ 40. Is it Super or BJ 40 Premium? Go and check it out. The Mobius 3, the newest one the Mobius is a rebadge of the Biak BJ 40, which is a clone or a copycat of
the Jeep.
Which is now a copycat of the what?
Jeep.
The Jeep Wrangler. So Mobius, I don't know. We will try and get a Mobius to review a Mobius soon for you guys.
Soon we shall get.
Let's give it because unajua
it's new in the market, eh?
Unajua I know why unaipatia D because Magi alisema atakupatia gari na
Magi just come here and rescue the case. Give us the car.
Magi akuja tutuelewane.
Yeah man. Magi, no.
Yeah, but we do want to review more cars for you guys, by the way. We want to review the Mobius. Mobius 3.
Mobius 3 and go check out the video for the Ineos Grenadier.
Yeah. So guys, go and check out the latest video, yeah?
Ineos Grenadier.
The Ineos Grenadier and Ineos Quartermaster.
Yeah.
It's doing good by the thanks guys for all the support.
And the viewership. Just go like, subscribe, share, comment. We need that.
G-man.
Yeah man.
Let me give you something hapa tukiendelea.
Bring it on bwana.
Okay. Yeah. I think uko over na nikibring it on hautaweza kuhandle. So let me tell you guys, these are the 10 least reliable cars according to Consumer Report. So Consumer Report, for those who don't know what Consumer Report is, it's a survey. It's a company that carries out surveys based on user experiences, and these are the 10 least reliable cars based on Consumer Reports. They grade them out of 100, and number 10 with 27 points. Guess what, G-Man?
No.
The Jeep Wrangler.
Ah,
The Jeep Wrangler users are not happy with the Jeep Wrangler.
give me a reason.
For I don't know.
Give me a reason.
We'll have to ask Consumer Report.
Okay.
Number 9, the Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Is it all the Jeeps?
Another Jeep.
Is it all the Jeeps?
It's always the car.
Why always the Jeep?
The car in the garage is always a Jeep.
Ha!
So the Jeep Wrangler had a score of 27 out of 100.
Okay.
Grand Cherokee had a 26. 25 Volkswagen Jetta. That's Number 7, which is I will not be surprised, the Nissan Frontier with 23 out of 100. I wouldn't say that Nissans are unreliable per se, but they are Nissans. They are not Toyota. Number 6 is another Grand Cherokee, but it's called the Grand Cherokee L. Number 5 is an all-electric Rivian R1T with 23 out of 100. Number 4 is a bit shocking. Guess.
Toyota.
No. Number 4, Volvo XC60.
What?
XC60.
Why a Volvo?
I don't know. XC60, it's called the PHEV, the FEV.
The
FEV. Plug-in hybrid electric, eh?
Yeah.
The FEV. So the Volvo XC60 FEV has a score of 21 out of 100. That is number 4. Number 3. Ford F-150 hybrid with 19 out of 100. Number 2, the Volkswagen Taos. Is it the one that... No. That's another one. And
with what's the rating?
18 out of 100.
That's a D. That's a D.
That's a D. Hey, that's an E, bwana.
No.
18.
18 it's a D minus.
18.
D minus.
Kwani E inaanzia ngapi?
12.
Then no E, because number 14 is the Chrysler Pacifica hybrid with 14 out of 100. Those are the least reliable.